Hi everyone! Welcome to Oryzen Technologies, where innovation doesn't stop at software, it begins with people. We believe true growth starts when knowledge is shared, and that's why we've launched our entrepreneur training programs. Our goal is simple: to help aspiring entrepreneurs and business owners develop the skills they need to succeed in today's digital world. From startup strategy and branding to digital transformation and automation, we guide participants step by step toward building a strong business foundation. Our sessions cover idea to execution planning, building an online presence, leveraging technology for business growth, and marketing, branding, and customer engagement strategies. It's not just theory, it's hands-on, practical learning designed for real-world success. At Oryzen Technologies, we don't just build businesses, we build entrepreneurs. So if you're ready to turn your idea into a thriving business, join our next entrepreneur training program and let's grow together.